News is learning more about the death of 3-year-old Tyron Edwards, an autopsy pointing to severe head trauma.
Tonight, his mother and the mother's boyfriend charged with murder. Fox News investigative reporter Brendan Kirby has been talking with family members. He joins us now live with that part of the story. Brendan?
Byron and Lenise, Mobile County prosecutors are waiting until tomorrow after a bail hearing before commenting on this case. But grandparents on both sides tell me they're devastated. The tragedy began on August 8th. That's when Mobile police responded to Children's and Women's Hospital for a report of child abuse. 3-year-old Tyron Edwards died 3 days later. An autopsy pointed to severe head trauma and other injuries. Tyron was a month shy of his 4th birthday. His mother, Tatiana Edwards, turned herself in on Friday on a felony murder charge. Her boyfriend, 19-year-old Abraham Hatch, surrendered on Sunday. He's charged with capital murder. Tatiana's father, Terrence Ball, says Hatch was working for him at the auto dealership he owns on Government Boulevard. Ball says Hatch and Tatiana had only been together for about 3 months.
She said he woke her up at 2:30 that morning and saying the baby wasn't breathing. So she went in there, seen bruises on him, asked him why he got bruises on him. He like, it happened on a 4-wheeler.
That 4-wheeler accident supposedly happened the prior week in Theodore. But Ball says his daughter says she never saw any injuries prior to that morning. Tyron's grandmother, Erica Massey, tells me her son, Tyron's father, is crushed. She describes the little boy as a kid with an old man's soul. Massey says that when she first heard her grandson was in the hospital and wasn't breathing, she assumed it was related to his asthma.
And when I saw him, it was devastating, very devastating. And it was a totally different situation.
What did he look like?
He was abused bad, very bad.
Massey says Tatiana is a hard worker and attentive mother, both to Tyron and a child from a previous relationship. She says she doesn't believe Tatiana did anything to cause her son's death.
She didn't have nothing to do with that. You know, I can put that on my life. She didn't. She don't even spank the kids, not even a pinch.
I talked briefly with Hatch's mother. She says out of respect, she wants to wait until after the funeral before she says anything about this case. As I mentioned, both defendants are due in court tomorrow for a bail hearing, and the funeral for the little boy, that's scheduled for Saturday. Reporting live, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.